Hey guys, welcome back to the 240 Drift, and today we're unveiling the new project. 1990 240 with the KADET. So it's got the dual overhead cams and a turbo kit attached to it. It's got a blown head gasket, a couple other issues, some door, it's kind of munched, the side skirt that's pretty messed up. It's still only 4-lug, no 5-lug conversion. Batteries in the back. New injectors, one headlight works, windshield's cracked, but it does run and it does boost, and that's what is important. Few things that we were looking for when we first got this car was, well, body damage. So stuff like here where it's all crinkled in and then it was bondoed together and then painted over. Kind of expected that. These converted taillights look really good though. These look pretty much new. This one's a little clouded, but we'll be able to take care of that. You can see aftermarket fuel cell. It has a Walboro inline fuel pump, battery relocated to the back. Pretty much everything in the interior is stripped out except for some of the front stuff. We have some interior pieces in the truck though. These doors are pretty messed up, this side specifically. You can see when we close it, it jumps up and it kind of sags a little bit right there. So the hinges are going bad, but you can still open them. Driver's seat's a bit messed up, but that's going to be swapped for a bucket seat. Cluster doesn't, or some of the cluster works, fuel gauge works. It's upside down, temp gauge works. That's our tach. And we have air fuel ratio and boost pressure. Has a short throw shifter. And a sunroof, which I don't know works. Overall though, this car's a really good buy. Only got it for $1,700. About a 2-hour drive to go pick it up. It died on the test drive, but it was able to boost successfully. There's some kind of pull on the battery, just like the 91 had, but we're gonna figure that out. We just replaced the battery and we'll see how it goes. There will be some follow-up videos with how to replace and repair some of the things, such as the headlights or the draw on the battery, finding out where that is. Stuff like that coming. There may even be a body kit. We don't know until we dig into this thing, but, you know, stick around and there will be a lot more content to come.